Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Gangwani. I've been a storyteller and training the people in Jeet Pinnacle Institute for 18 years without fail. Today I'm gonna tell you one story which is teaching us one lesson that it is not necessary that we show a reaction to everything. Step back and ask yourself if the matter is really worth responding or reacting to. Through this story you would understand what I want you to understand. What I mean to tell you. A carpenter went home after shutting down his workshop. A snake entered his workshop. The snake was very hungry and hoped to find its supper lurking somewhere within in that shop. It slithered from one end to another and accidentally it bumped into a double-edged metal axe and got very slightly injured, got wounded. In anger and seeking revenge, the snake bit an axe with full force. What could a bite do to a metallic axe? Nothing. Instead the snake's mouth started bleeding. Out of fury and arrogance, the cobra tried its level best to strangle and kill the object that was causing it pain by wrapping itself very tightly around the blades. But snake could not understand it was an object except this nothing. But it was in angry mood, it was in bad humor, it was in ill humor. That's why it happened to the snake. Nothing. The next day when that shopkeeper came, so he saw that, it means that carpenter came. He opened the workshop and saw a seriously cut dead cobra wrapped around the axe blades. The cobra died not because of someone's fault. Are you getting? The cobra died just because of its consequences, merely because its own anger and wrath which it had. Sometimes when we get angry, when we get infuriated, we do not listen to others. We try to cause harm to others, but as time passes by, we realize that we have caused more harm to ourselves. For a happy life, it is best we should learn to ignore and overlook some things, people, incidents, affairs, and matters. Sometimes, not every time, but we need to keep using our efforts. It is the story. When we are angry, when we have the wrath, when we have the anger, so we always do harms to others. We feel like this, but indirectly way we are harming ourselves to ourselves. So it is not necessary that we show a reaction to everything. Step back and ask yourself if the matter is really worth responding or reacting to. It is completely upon our mindset. Whenever we are talking with people, we need to be cool, calm, and composed. When we are cool, calm, composed, what happens? We can listen to the people, we can observe, we can deliver whatever we feel like delivering. So in my training session, I train you for the PD, personality development, PG for personality grooming, group discussion, personal interview. So these all courses are included in my this 40 days online course. If you people are really interested, do join me for my online course for 40 days. If you people do not feel contented, I would love to get your money back. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. My contact number is 9373537366.